Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my friends. You are watching the Monk in Jeans, your favorite channel, and I am Parikshit or JC, the monk, with another idea of how to make a better income. There is a Hawaiian meditation called Ho-O-Pono-Pono. Most of you have heard about it, have seen the video in my channel. Ho-O-Pono-Pono meditation is used for repairing bad relationship or for building a better relationship or to get your ex-lover back to you. Now, what is that Ho-O-Pono-Pono meditation? There are 4 sentences. You have to say 4 sentences in Ho-O-Pono-Pono meditation, which goes like, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Again, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. What happens when you utter these sentences? When you close your eyes and then you think about the person with whom you want to build a relationship, maybe it's a love affair, maybe you have been ditched or you are being ignored by the person whom you want to love or whom you want to love you. What happens when you utter these 4 sentences? You think about that person and then when you say, I'm sorry. The moment you say, I'm sorry, you are sending a very, very positive vibration towards that person. So he opens his or her door. The block that was there, he or she starts opening it the moment he or she hears, I am sorry from you. Next sentence, please forgive me. The moment you say, please forgive me, he or she allows you to enter his or her energy barrier or energy circle. Then you say, thank you, as if he or she has forgiven you and you are saying thank you. And the last sentence, I love you. The moment you say, I love you, his energy melts and you get mixed up with his or her energy and your relationship with him or her starts improving or you attract that person towards you. So this is as far as using Ho-O-Pono-Pono meditation for improving relationship, for repairing relationships, and for building a new relationship. Now, as far as our income is concerned, money matters. The money that we earn, the money that we use, the money that we need is very essential. Although we always say that peace, happiness, and good health, these 3 things are the most essential in our life. But to achieve these 3 things, you also need money. If not a lot of money, but adequate amount of money. But what happens, all of us, we have a very doubtful relationship with money. Now you will be surprised and you will ask me that how come we have a doubtful relationship with money? Because all of us, we want money. We need money. I love money. I need more money. But think about this. At the same time when you are asking and wishing to have more money, you are also doubting yourself. Am I fit enough? Am I capable enough to earn $100,000? Can I do it? Others can do it, but how can I do it? All these doubts make your relationship with money a little unstable. You are there, but you are really not being able to bridge that gap. You are not being able to climb that mountain and reach money to get him. So, today I am going to teach you how to use the meditation Ho-O-Pono-Pono to become richer, more affluent, more comfortable, and earn more money in simple language. So what are you going to do? Start like this. Take 3 deep breaths. Then think about money. Imagine a box of money, or your bank balance, or your money in the bank, or think about a checkbook, a lot of money you are writing, and then say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now you can ask me, why the sentence sequences are like this? I'll tell you. First you say, I'm sorry. The moment you say, I'm sorry, the energy around the money, it starts melting. It melts. If there is a barrier, if there's a negative relationship with money that you have, it immediately starts melting and starts opening its door so that you can enter into a good relationship with the money. Then you say, please forgive me. When you say, please forgive me, the barrier lets you enter the energy of money. Then you say, thank you, as if money has already forgiven you for having a bad relationship with it or him. And finally, you say, I love you. And the way you should say, I love you, you should really feel it. Emotion. E in motion, energy in motion. When you say, I love you, you really feel that you love that bundle of money. And then, if already your energy has already entered the energy field of the money and you have become one. And then you will notice when you practice this affirmation or meditation at least 30 days, morning and evening, you will see your financial situation not only has changed, but you have also got a lot of peace and happiness because of the stability that you are getting due to your changed situation. That's it. So stay well, be blessed. I'll see you again, and now go and get it.